Hello and welcome to the Antique Clock channel. I am Gavin Welch. I've been putting out these videos because I love antique clocks. This one right behind me, where I'm featuring today, is a Samuel Bentley Kingsbridge. It's an English grandfather clock, where all the clocks I've been featuring have been regulators. This one is actually a grandfather clock, and I will walk you through this clock. I do not know much about. It is old, mid 1700s, I assume. It lives here in my office. Let me open it up for you. It keeps great time. About an 8-day wind. I could open the face here. This clock has been in my family for approximately 20 years. Close that. I like this clock because it's got a really soothing noise to it. You can see it's got a brass face. I don't believe this minute hand is original, where I think the hour hand looks like it's original, but that's the way it's been. Let me take the crown off here real quick, and I'll show you what the internals of this thing looks like. Alright, so we've taken the top off of it. It just slides forward. You can see the pulleys for the weights right there. Let me show you around to the side. Let me go around to the other side. I'll do a run video of this one, probably an ASMR video, let it run for a while. This is an extra nut I found right there when I moved it. It's probably from up underneath here. I just haven't gotten around to sorting it. It does chime. Let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and forward it so you can hear it chime. Okay, that's kind of loud because it doesn't have the top on it, but okay. So I slid the top back on the Samuel Bentley here. See if you can get an idea of the size of it. It's a little over six foot. English grandfather clock. Yes, I know I put paper towels underneath there to kind of do a little leveling on it. But just a quick feature on this clock.